For many buyers, the prospect of building a new home holds enormous appeal because it offers the chance to create a dwelling that exactly meets their needs. Obviously, there are a lot of decisions that need to be made when constructing a new home, choosing a floor plan, tiling, and paint color to name just a few. But here's one thing folks often forget to consider: pre-wiring for smart home technology. What is pre-wiring? Well, take a minute and consider what it would be like if you bought a property that didn't have plumbing or electrical setup. Ultimately, you would spend an enormous amount of time and money installing these basics. The same holds true for wiring a smart system. Rather than needing to retrofit your home later to accommodate for things like whole home audio or a security system, pre-wiring your home as part of the initial construction process means that setup for a smart system is a snap. What to consider for pre-wiring? The first step is to figure out what kind of technology you want in your home. Are you looking for smart lighting, motorized shades, a security system, outdoor audio and video, or a home theater? Or, like many luxury homeowners in the Chicagoland area, you might want it all. Digital systems and integration can assist you in planning the wiring you need for both indoor and outdoor systems. As part of this process, we coordinate with architects and builders to get the wires in the right place. We have a strong track record of collaborating with some of the top architects and builders in and around Chicago. So why should you use integrators like digital systems and integration? Well, when folks hear the term pre-wiring, they might assume that this task is something that needs to be done by electricians. This simply isn't the case. Pre-wiring for a smart system requires a different set of skills than general electric work to ensure the best possible outcomes. For example, running a speaker wire beside an electrical cable could cause issues with your AV system, an issue which an electrician may be unaware of. What should you pre-wire for in your home? What you choose to pre-wire for will depend on the functionality you want from your smart system, but here are some options to consider. Home networking. A solid electrical infrastructure is needed for your smart home. By hardwiring access points and switches, you can ensure that the signal is strong throughout your rooms and property, and that your smart system works as it's designed. Off-the-shelf wireless internet simply won't cut it. Security systems. More and more families are installing security systems to give them peace of mind that their property is protected. The security system involves a lot of cords for its cameras, sensors, and intercoms. Although there are wireless security alternatives available, hardwired security systems supply the most reliable protection. Entertainment systems. Remember the days of bulky speakers and cords everywhere for entertainment systems? This is no longer the case. Cabling for entertainment systems components can now be discreetly hidden behind walls. Not only will you get higher quality from your media by pre-wiring for speakers and displays, but you'll also gain centralized control of your devices by effortlessly connecting everything into a home automation system. Lighting control. Pre-wiring for an automating lighting system means your lights and shades can be controlled from a single device, such as a touchpad, smartphone, or even a voice assistant like the intuitive Josh.ai system. While pre-wiring for your new home might not have been on your radar, if you want a smart home designed to meet the unique needs of you and your crew, it's a must. Construct the infrastructure today to avoid retrofitting headaches later. Are you interested in learning more about pre-wiring for your Chicagoland luxury home? Give us a call at 188-903-4448 to schedule your free discovery call today.